JLP versus PNP, the rivalry that defines Jamaican politics. With the 2025 general elections heating up, we take to the streets to ask the voters who is most equipped to take Jamaica in the future. Come make we talk. So 2025, the year of the general election. So you think this election will bring forth any changes or the same old same?
What I think it will. It won't be the same old same because what I must think of is this. I want learn by their mistakes.
Yeah.
And the present regime in power give us a lot of promises. They tell us about 2030 vision. One of a couple of their mantras was on rare politics is out,
Yeah.
the level of transparency and corruption would be minimal.
Yeah.
It's more than obvious that what they have said they have recanted.
Yeah.
And for you to trust an organization or a system, the proponents of that system and organization have to be transparent and honest. And in our political scenario now, the trust factor in this present regime is very low.
Yeah.
Very low, and leadership supposed to be the results of what the findings are. So it baffles me.
Okay. So they have three issues of major concern, right? So I want to know which one you think the next administration should address first thing first, whether it be crime, healthcare, or infrastructure.
First, you have, for you forget investment, crime have to be minimal. You have to
Yeah.
the crime factor would have been one of the apex,
Yeah.
and after that it will be the health
Yeah.
infrastructure. I feel it would come maybe third,
Yeah.
but the crime factor would be the number one.
Number one. Okay. So how would you rate this current government performance?
Very very abysmal.
So you think it's time for a change and we are going to continue with what going?
Well, if you continue with what go, but first and foremost, it's time for a change.
Okay.
And I say this unequivocally. It's time for a change.
Okay. So 2025 is the year of the general election. You think this election will bring forth any change or the same or same?
I'm hoping to change the prime minister because I'm not Jamaican, I'm Canadian.
Yeah.
And since I've been here, everything has been bad. Like the
Okay.
pay, the grocery prices, everything. So I'm hoping everything do change and to change the prime minister, everything. So I'm hoping.
With that said though, you say you're a Canadian, so you would
Yeah.
how would you compare the cost of living in Canada to the cost of living in Jamaica?
I'll say over here is a bit more expensive than over there. It's
Out
way more,
here?
yeah.
Oh
Even
my
if
god.
because they could everything is like the prices are different, but everything here is more
More
expensive.
expensive.
$50 here is $100 Canadian, but it's like so much more expensive over
Okay.
here.
So if you would rank this government out of 10, how much you think they deserve?
-1.
Minus one.
Yeah.
Alright, thank you.
No
Alright.
problem.
2025 are the year of the general election. You think the election year are gonna bring forth no change or you feel like it's gonna be the same or same?
Oh, like the election, it a go good, man.
I go good.
Yeah,
So
man.
where you go vote for? You go vote for a change of government or for continue with the current government?
Me nah vote.
You not vote. Why you not vote?
Me nah vote. Me nah get nothing for none of them. But this a government, a best government.
You say government are best government. So
Yes,
you don't
sir.
feel like you have to give me support if you feel away then.
No, sir. Me nah vote, brother. Me no know if me a go change my mind, but not right now.
Okay. So if you could have ranked the government out of 10, how much would you give him?
Eh?
If you rank him out of 10,
Boy, mother give him 9 years.
you'd have give him 9.
Yes, sir.
Alright. 2025 are the year of the general election. So what me want to ask you now, you think that election here are going to bring forth any change or are the same old same?
Same thing.
Same thing.
No change, no did it.
So out of them three issues here, which one you don't want the government address immediately? Crime, healthcare, or infrastructure, including bad
Healthcare.
road
Healthcare and the bad
and
road.
the bad road.
Mm-hmm.
So you have any issues with the healthcare system?
Alright, me diabetic.
Yeah.
You understand? So sometimes like with healthcare wise, me think
Yeah.
say them need to try to help more people with that. You understand?
Yeah.
Like like push out more because
Yeah.
me not have one healthcare and sometimes when me can go over hospital, when me go to the pharmacy, it's so
Yeah.
expensive. Like two insulin for $8,000.
Okay.
You understand? So the healthcare system need to step up.
Okay. So if you have to vote in the next election, would
Me
it
will
be
never vote.
you will never vote?
Never.
Why you wouldn't vote?
Because no change, no did it.
No changes.
No
So it's a waste
changes.
of time.
Waste of time.
Okay, so when you hear that people them have no confidence in the government to vote, and that is an issue. So 2025, the year of the general election, what do you think about the current government performance?
Well, to be honest, I don't really follow them up,
Now follow
So,
them up.
no, that's the truth.
So would you be voting in the upcoming election?
I don't think so.
All right. So if you would have voted though, what would you vote for? Change or continuity?
That's the thing. Me can't answer that because I don't know what the change would be. What the opposition is saying the change would be.
Okay.
And you seem alright,
Okay.
but Jesus,
So you say you think Andrew is doing an okay job?
I guess so. Based on what me hear people say,
Okay. So how much would you give him out of 10?
I can't rate him.
You can't rate it.
No, I don't think I don't have knowledge to
To
rate
rate
it.
it.
Yeah.
Okay. So you feel like them to make them plans more out there, make you know what going.
Yeah, I
Okay.
guess so.
All right. Thank you. Yeah.
I guess so.
All right. Yeah. So I just finished my street interview on the upcoming 2025 general elections, and while a lot of people shy away from the camera, a lot of them have one thing in common. And I realize you have a lot of Jamaicans who don't have an interest in voting, and I really feel like that say a lot about our democracy. Yeah, because it shows that people are really confident in the democracy because a lot of them feel like say voting still not bring forth no change. And a lot of them feel like say yo, are the same or same. So when will enough be enough? And when will we hold our political leaders accountable? Because right now I feel like Jamaica deserve a leader who love we and care about we and care about our needs, not just for themselves and them friends. Yeah man, so we need to do better, yeah?
Come make we talk. Come make we talk.